Hello everyone, welcome back to Android Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix your iPhone is having an issue, cannot verify server identity, which is happening for many of the users right now, and how we can fix this. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one, when you're having this particular trouble, I'll be showing you two steps which can be done, and I'm not wasting much time. We can directly get into this. This is very easy as it is. So all we have to do is we just need to just remove the email or Gmail account which is already signed in your iPhone, because this is one of the main reason. So to do this, what we need to do is we just need to tap over here in the settings. Now from here, keep scrolling down and navigate to mail over here, tap on the mail. Now from here, as you can see, I have already added one account. So you have to select the respective account. And now from here, you have to select the Gmail over here. So right now the one account is added, so I have to delete this particular account. For this, what I need to do is just tap on the delete account, go for delete account, and once it is deleted, what you need to do is afterwards just restart your iPhone. Afterwards, try sign back once again and see whether the issue is solved or not, because sometimes you'll be having multiple accounts signed in this. So just remove one by one and see whether the issue is solved or not. Most probably when you do this up, the issue has to be fixed, because this did work for many users. So that is why I'm recommending you can try this out. If that is not working, we have to move to the next one. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to make sure the date time is set into automatically it is correct, or if it is turned off, or if it is changed by any accident, you will be having this error. For this, just cross check. Tap over here in the settings. Now from here we just need to keep scrolling down, tap on general. Now from here go to the date and time, and over here as you can see right now both the 24-hour time and the set time automatically is turned off, which is why I'm having this error. So what I need to do is I just need to turn this on, as well as I need to turn on, and I have to make sure the time zone is correct and the time automatically is set, and the 24-hour time is also being set. This is very important because time zone should be correct, or else you'll be having this trouble. Once you set this up, you just need to go back, and most probably this particular error will be completely fixed. And this is what you have to do. I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.